welcome back to my channel, and yes, it is time for a Walgreens haul. It's not going to be a great week at Walgreens, but hey, you know what, if you guys need to get a couple things, I think a good time to stock up is on candy. I've been giving candy weight to work like crazy. This morning I went to work and I had a huge bag full of candy, so I'm happy to get candy and just bring it to work because I can help everybody else who wants candy because we're always snacking on stuff.
Candy away.
Okay, I won't put candy away. Can you go away for a second, honey? So I'm going to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Now the thing, if you guys still have some of those Tide coupons, I bet you none of you guys really have any. I bought like a pack online when I knew there was a big sale, and I just have a couple left. The store that I usually go to on Tuesdays, my store that's closest to my homes, they told me I couldn't buy any more Tide. I'm like, whatever. But later did I find out, thank you for turning me down, because CVS ended up becoming a really great deal. So you guys will have to check out that store, or that deal. But as you guys know, I had problems at my store. They don't treat me badly. They just treat me like different, like, you know, they're being fake, like treating me nice and being fake, you know. That's how I feel like it is. And a lot of you guys, you know, had the same problems as me, and I think you guys, you know, you make me feel so much better. But I'm either gonna go to that store and talk to the store manager. I'm gonna tell her, like, this is what I do, and I'm gonna say, you know, I help out a lot of people. It's not just me hoarding all this stuff or just trying to get it. It's like, I don't keep any of this stuff. I don't get attached to it. Some of it I do, but it's like, I don't get attached to this, and I help out thousands of people. I donate in the community. So I'm gonna say something to her, because it's like, I feel like her employees are just treating me fakely. I guess that's not really a word, but I just feel treated differently than I would if I was just a regular customer. So I'm going to either say something to that, or I'm just going to kind of avoid that store for a couple weeks. I am going to try to go to maybe the store that I always go to on Sundays. They treat me fine. The managers treat me fine. I've never had any problems at that store. Or I'm going to try and go to the store where the assistant store manager follows me around. And if she does, I'm going to say something to her. And if it does continue to bother me, I will say something to that store manager. But I just also want to say, if you guys ever have problems and the manager will not help you, ask to talk to the district manager, or call corporate and they will give you the district manager's phone number. A couple of you guys said that you've talked to the district manager and they've helped you out. So I'm just saying, we have problems, you guys have problems, but if it's beyond your manager's control, call corporate and ask to speak to the district manager. They'll give you their phone number and give them a call, because they don't want to see negative things happen at stores. And you know what? And even though we get a lot of stuff for free, we do put a lot of money into these hauls. Like, we do pay money out of pocket, so it's not like we're getting everything free. So I'm not trying to rant. I'm just trying to help everybody out and let you guys know about my situation. But I'm just ready to dig in and continue with the Tide deal. So the Tide deal is $4.99. Now, we do have those $3 off coupons that were in the June or July P&G. You guys would just get this for $1.99. I wouldn't say that's a good deal, but I think Tide for $1.99, in my opinion, is a great deal, because, I mean, this is originally like $7 when it's normal price. I think when you go to like Target or Walmart, it's like a little bit less than that. But I think for $1.99, I think that is a great price. And I only have a couple of these coupons left. I want to thank you guys for who sends me those coupons. Thank you. But I do have a couple left. I think I got 4 left. So I'm going to see what Walmart has those for a price for. Otherwise, I'm just going to go and use them up this week at Target. Or use this at, use them at Walgreens. I might just avoid my normal store. I'm just going to kind of give them a break and be like, yo, where's Jennifer at? So now a lot of you guys wanted to get Garnier wasted, and there is a limit of 1 coupon. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I feel like I should just make a video of companies that we should all email to and ask for them to change the limit. I mean, they might not, but if out of all the people who watch my videos, I think if we all sent them an email being like, hey, can you change the limit to this? Maybe you never know. You may even never know. If you guys are interested in something like that, let me know, because I really want to email like L'Oreal and ask them if we can at least use 2 coupons like, I'm okay with using 2 coupons per transaction. It's the one that kills us. 1 coupon per transaction. So just letting you guys know on that. But as you guys watched my video for the ad preview, I said that Garnier Fructis is going on sale. Not this Sunday, but next Sunday. Well, I totally forgot. And those coupons expire Saturday. So if you guys have a good deal for the Garnier Fructis, please let me know. I know Kroger, you can get them for $1. Walmart or Walgreens, you can get them for $1. Walmart, you can get them for $1. So just letting you guys know to use those coupons up before Saturday. But anyways, these were $3.99 a piece. You guys want to use that $4 off a 2 coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. That does end the 21st, so it ends on Saturday. There's also a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You just have them scan it once. It'll take off both of them. These come out to be $1.98 or 99 cents a piece, which if you guys are really into shampoo, like brand loyal stuff, I think 99 cents is a pretty decent price. I mean, if you guys think about it, we pretty much pay $1 or under for every bottle of shampoo, so wanted to share with you guys on that. I'm going to try to find all the other coupons that I have and try to find some good deals, because there are some coupons that I just don't want to go to waste. I know a lot of you guys are like that. I just don't like wasting coupons. So, especially really good ones. So I hope you guys get all like candy wasted this week. So these Oreo Milka bars were 69 cents. Now I really love the mint ones. I like the mint ones better than the regular ones. I don't know, there's just something about it. I will eat these, but I will not eat the other ones. But these are 69 cents a piece. There's a deal where if you buy 2, you guys will get $1 off in the Walgreens booklet, which comes out to be 38 cents for 2 of them. But there's also a deal where if you guys submit your receipt to Checkout 51, you guys get a 25-cent rebate for every deal. Now, I did this deal for all 6 of them because the Checkout 51 is a limit of 5. So definitely do this deal if you guys want to do it. I think it turns out to be a better deal if you buy 6, but it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. So you guys want to buy 6 Oreo bars. You guys want to use, or you just have them scan that $1 off a 2 coupon. It'll take off $3 for all 6 of them. You guys will end up paying $1.14 for all 6 of these. But then you guys can submit a 25-cent rebate on Checkout 51 times 5, making it 11-cent moneymaker. So if you guys still do 2, it'll still be, you know, a something cent moneymaker. So I think that is a pretty good deal if you guys want to do that. I don't even know if I did my math right on that, but yeah, it comes out to be like you get $1.25 back if you do that. So definitely do the candy bars. I'm just dropping everything. I ended up getting high chew candy. I'm probably gonna have, if my husband doesn't want this, I'm probably gonna bring this to work. But these were on sale for 2 for $3. Now this is a month deal. So these are 2 for $3. We got those $1 off coupons that we got in our inserts a couple weeks ago. If you guys want to use 2 of those coupons, you guys would just get these for $1 or 50 cents a bag. So that's a really good price if you guys are interested in that. This could be good candy if you guys want to do candy for Halloween. I know I like thinking way ahead for Halloween. Now, right when I get home, the husband, I tell him to help me carry stuff in. He ends up checking all the bags, and then he decides to help bring things in. Well, what'd you get for me? What'd you get for me? So I ended up getting him some Dove chocolates. Now, these were 2 for $6. We do have some $1 off of 1 coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago. There's also a $1 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would end up paying just $3 for both of these bags, or comes out to be $1.50 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. Dove chocolate is something I rarely get, but my husband already helped himself to the chocolate. He's like, this is the best chocolate I have ever had. Like, this is my #1 favorite chocolate ever. And I'm like, great. So now I'm going to go on a Dove hunt for him, because if he's this obsessed with Dove caramels, I better treat the baby. So, had to do that deal. Like I said, you guys, it's a lot of chocolate. Now, I ended up doing the Suave deodorant, and then I didn't read. I accidentally grabbed a secret. I couldn't even find the Suave. I don't even know if my store that I went to carried it, which is not a big deal. I just had them take it off. But I ended up doing the Pure Silk deal because I wanted to share with you guys this deal in case you guys are brand loyal. I've never used this blade before, but it looks like a pretty interesting blade. So I thought, you know what, I might give this one a try. But these were on sale for $6.99. There is a $2 off coupon that is in the Walgreens ad, so the ad that you got on Sunday. Plus, there is a $2 off coupon that we got from last Sunday. You guys would just pay $2.99 for this. I wouldn't say that's a great deal, but it's something that I wanted to share with you guys in case you guys needed these or you're brand loyal. But for $2.99, it's an okay deal. Now, I thought the Perel was on sale. Now, all the Perel was buy one, get one 50% off. But I thought the travel ones were 50% or buy one, get one 50% off. But I scanned the product and it said it wasn't available online. So these ended up just being, these were? Like $1.69, I think the price was. I used that $1 off of 2 coupon that we got from coupons.com. You guys would just pay $2.38. So these were just regular price. So this was a fail for me, but I still wanted to share with you guys. And I actually want to keep some of this in my purse because just with Ben and everything, it's nice to have some Perel. Plus, we keep this in our car. So I don't know. It's not the greatest deal, but I still wanted to share with you guys. But I actually really like this smell. It's all leaking all over the place. I really like that smell. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. Now my hands smell like refreshing aloe. So yeah, that was my small haul at Walgreens. I'm not sure if I'm going to go back and do another haul. I probably will. I'm going to try to find some other deals for you. I did definitely want to try to do the Tide deal again, especially get more Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. But my total came to $13.56. I ended up getting $1.25 back with checkout 51. I got 17 items. It technically came to $12.31 or just 72 cents a piece. So I'm not going to say this is probably one of my best hauls, but I got some food stuff and I got some decent stuff. So I don't know. Like I said, this week is kind of a slow week, but I'm hoping next week is a better week. I'm curious to see what we are getting for coupons, but I hope you guys enjoyed this Walgreens video. Also, don't forget, if you guys haven't already, I still have it from down here when I was wearing this.
Candy.
Okay, hold on, honey. I did make these shirts available again if you guys are interested. Now, the people who ordered them already, those will be starting to ship by the end of this week. Just let you guys know on that. But if you guys haven't gotten one of these shirts, there is still available to get some. The link is below. They start at $13.99 and they'll go on sale for 2 weeks. Or technically another week and a half, but after that they are no longer available. They might be available around Christmas time. So if you guys want your cool shirts, make sure you guys click on the link below so you guys can get your Coupon Addict t-shirts that I designed. But I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I know most of you guys have, and thank you very much. But I just want to say thanks again and see you guys all later. Bye-bye.